Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. Today's signal is going to be on XAUUSD, a really popular commodity, aka gold per US dollar, and as always with no more time to waste, let's head to our calendar and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on calendar, as you can see, currently is what we can actually understand from this chart here is that the seller side is weaker than the buyer side, and this shows us that the market, or to be precise, this commodity is going to experience an upward movement or an increase in its price, because lately it has been falling down, so we can't kind of expect an increase in the price of it. And currently what we can understand from this chart here down below, at the moment we have 5 positive points in this week that is kind of showing us that there will be an increase in the price in this week. And as you can see, on Thursday we have an unemployment claims, which is going to help the price to actually move to the upside. But as you all know, news are not enough, so let's head to the chart and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on the chart, as you can see, we are on XAUUSD, gold per US dollar on 4-hour time frame, and I have pre-drawn some zones for you. Hopefully we can actually make a really good setup out of this. This blue area, as always, is our trading area. This purple area is an imbalance area, because if I extend it from the left side, as you can see, the price didn't reach back to this level that has been broken before. So we have an imbalance of price here. That price might actually come and fill it up, and after that we had a lot of little equal highs up above here, which were taken by this shadow. So we have no money up above here, and this actually gives us a really strong resistance zone. And we have this green area right below here, and as you can see, there were a lot of equal lows, and these lows used to hold a lot of money below them, but after this shadow came down here, it took all the money and then started to move to the upside. And we have a lot of equal highs here that are going to be taken out, because there is a lot of money up above here, and when the banks take that money and liquidity, they will start to move to the upside a little bit more, only to fill up this gap and imbalance, and then they will make their way up above here, maybe take the monies that are actually lying above these two highs, and then start to fall down. As always, what I suggest is to wait for the price to retrace itself back to the downside, so you can enter a better trade with a smaller stop loss. What I want from you now is to sit back, enjoy the music, so I can make this prettier for you guys. Enjoy. Okay, now that we have this beautiful setup, as always, I just wanted to end the video with a beautiful quote. The currency market is like a sea, sometimes calm, sometimes stormy, but always full of opportunities for those who know how to navigate it. Have a good day and peace.